Everybody fucking jump!
All right, everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this underway. Do a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Women Air Jordan 1 Low, yellow, strike, Holland and white. Cat, get out my box. Turn of the Jordan scratch here. Unless these, I haven't looked at these. Had to get a pair. It seems to be yellow season. All the shoes have been yellow. Tears on this shoe. Yeah, they're alright. They're not the best. They're certainly not the worst. I don't know how this shoe did. I got these shoes for so low. Bought a whole pallet. So if anybody is interested in any Jordan 1 lows, I have a whole bunch ready for sale. It's the end of the summer, so I guess everybody was dumping them. I said I'll take them. I'll hold them for next summer. I'll start unloading them now. So by next summer, I should be done. And materials on this Jordan aren't bad. Like I said, I've seen worse Jordans. Show you guys the back. Yeah, if you're going to buy Jordans, I could see that this Jordan isn't too bad. What size is this? This is 11 and a half, so men's 10. Full, like I said, woman's size run I have. Get you guys a little bit of top action. It's in, if you watch any of my other Jordan 1 lows, that one looks just like the rest of the new Jordan 1 low style. Yellow mud guard. So a lighter yellow background to the darker yellow Nike breakup. Not a bad shoe. If you're into yellow shoes. A little bit of box dust on the back of my shoe, but nothing major. Well, yeah, not a bad Jordan. I've seen worse Jordans. You guys look at the shoe, what it's going to look like when it's on your feet. You know what you think about this shoe. Are you into the Jordan 1 lows, or are you just giving up on the Jordan 1 period? You know what shoes you guys are buying. You know what shoes you guys are going to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day out there.
Everybody fucking jump!